A company that we highlighted about 2 months ago continues to present an opportunity to accumulate shares, which I don't think are going to stay down for long. Mobix Labs, MOBX, when we highlighted a couple months ago, less than $1 a share, around 60 cents at that time. It's gone over $2 and it's fallen back now between, maybe $1.35, $1.75 a share. But it continues to execute on the strategy that we highlighted before. And what management continues to impress on everybody is that they are building something. So Mobix Labs, again, this is a company that is being built on advanced semiconductors, electrical components focused on aerospace and defense primarily, and other components that help in that industry, solid state type components, communication. Some of their products are in some of our advanced missiles and tanks, and they are a critical component, or growing more and more critical component contributor to the benefit of the aerospace and defense industry. So what has gone on? Why are we highlighting this again? Management continues to execute the strategy that they laid out and which we discussed just a couple of months ago. This is the management team and the board of a company called Microsemi, which they eventually sold out to Microchip Semiconductor for over $8 billion a number of years ago. That company was built on a series of acquisition and then in-house engineering and ingenuity to grow. So both organic and inorganic. Mobix Labs is presenting the same opportunity, growing organically, and then they have a very aggressive acquisition strategy that they are executing on. So the last time we talked, they had a number of acquisitions under the belt. They're starting to get revenue, and things are moving in that direction. Since we last talked, they've made 2 acquisitions, which will close, one in the Q1 here of 2025, and the other one a little bit later in the second quarter of 2025. The most recent acquisition is SCP Manufacturing. That'll close in the Q2 of 2025. Again, critical electronic components for aerospace defense. And then on November 25th of 2024, they made an acquisition, which will close shortly here, of spacecraft components. The same type of features, electrical components for aerospace and defense. So both of these acquisitions, management indicates, will be both synergistic and offer growth in revenue and growth towards the bottom line as they build critical mass in their space and continue to execute on management strategy that, watch us, we're going to grow, we're going to make acquisitions, we're going to grow organically. Execution is there. The other component is that they did release towards the end of 2024 kind of a nice snapshot loading out their financials of saying that we are growing both revenue-wise and profitability into the coming years. And watch us, we're going to continue to execute. So things are starting to pull together for Mobix Labs. This is a great company to continue to monitor, acquire on any kind of weakness, grow your share position. But let's take one last closer look at the market particulars for Mobix. So at the time of this video, Mobix has a market cap of just over $50 million. That is small. And especially in this space, the aerospace defense, critical electronic components, communication, this appears to be an undiscovered gem that's being passed up on with a share price of approximately $1.40 a share or a little bit less as of right now. This is another great opportunity. They've seen between 55 cents and $3.62 just in the past year, and at a company that's trading less than when it went public at, and that's back in December of 2023. It's another fantastic opportunity to load up. This company has not gone down in value. They keep making acquisitions to build critical mass, expand their technology base, grow the customer base, add the offerings, advance internal workings and engineering of projects, and then add on also with organic or inorganic or acquired technology. Revenue is expected to continue to grow, although small here. The cash position, look, they've got cash. They've got an access line that they tout of over $100 million that they tap to make acquisitions. They don't seem to have a problem in raising cash to buy companies. as there's a lot of demand and a lot of interest in this space. So I guess the overall conclusion here, do your own due diligence, take a look, but put Mobix Labs on your radar. It's on mine. I continue to acquire shares on dips. I've got about 2,500 shares right now. Yeah, it's a small amount. I'm going to continue to grow this aggressively over the months and quarters to come. I don't think this stays this inexpensive for long. I think after they start closing acquisitions and showing the world more of what they can do, that they can execute on their strategy, this will probably see a place back into the $5 to $10 range, which is rightfully where it should be. It's too inexpensive now at its share price, and with a market cap of approximately $50 million. There's a lot of room to run for Mobix Labs. Check it out. And if this is right for you, start acquiring. It's right for me, but do your own due diligence, take a look, and good luck with you. Let me know what you're doing.